Have you noticed these strange rod-like structures in your surroundings? You might see them on top of buildings. What do you think they are? These devices are called lightning rods. When lightning strikes a building or object, these rods attract the lightning and provide a safe path for it to flow into the ground, preventing the lightning from entering and damaging the building and the people inside. To understand how these rods work and ensure your business is safe from lightning strikes, watch the video linked in the description box.